Good morning to all my dear students. Okay, so today I am going to teach you the EVS book of class 4. Everyone take out. So yesterday, as I taught you the chapter 7, the roots of plants, and the first conversation we have completed. So today I will teach you the parts of a plant. Okay, so plant living in dry environment often have the true system so that they can access water from below surface. Okay, means it's a dry environment living plant, but its root is a very dry because uh, it is achieving food from the surface of the earth, and it's very wet. Okay, so root modifications. An EV plant has climbing roots called adventitious roots. They rise all the way along the stem and do not grow in the soil. Okay, this is the climber EV roots, we can say. This is not growing in surface of the earth, it's growing the layer of the earth. Maize also. Tropical orchid which grow on tree trunks have spongy roots exposed to the air. Some roots can develop into new plants. Example are dahlia and asparagus. Okay, plants like sarajan, sugar cane, where the stem is tall and slender. New roots grow downwards from the nodes of the stem. They help to fix the plant firmly into the soil. Such roots are called stellate roots. Okay, these roots are not growing in surface. This is with food. Okay. Maize plants also have stellate roots which develop from nodes on the stem and provide extra support. Means its root growing with their food system. Okay, in some plants such as banyan tree, roots develop from horizontal branches of the stem and grow towards the soil to form solid support for the spreading branches of the tree. On touching the soil, they penetrate into and act pillars. These pillar like root are called prop roots. They support the heavy branches of the tree. Just like we are watching that this is the spreading, you can this is the all the root, this is the on streaming they are doing. Banyan tree roots, you can you watch here, this root of banyan tree, and this one also, this is the root. This is not in under surface, this is the up down. Okay, this is the up of the earth. Breathing roots are found in swamp growing plants such as mango grove. As the swampy soil is poor in oxygen, root branches grow upward into the air. Means the breathing roots is means it's not growing in the down of the earth, because it is taking air from the environment. It's growing from earth. Okay, and downside they can't take earth, they can't take air from down, that's why it's growing upper side. Okay, so here we have done, and today's your classwork to read the about stellate root, prop root, and breathing roots. Okay, and the next class we will discuss about the parasitic roots and type of roots. Okay, thank you.